Raja Faisal, may I just correct your pronunciation? Kashmir, I assume आपको कश्मीर चाहिए नहीं. पहलगाम बोलना तो आता नहीं, पलग्राम बोल रहे हैं आप उसको. So clearly they want Kashmir for themselves. Pahalgam bolna aata nahi. Shehzad Poonawalla, I want to ask them, they're calling Pakistan a responsible nation. They're talking about their nuclear weapons, 130 of them, and they're behaving maturely. Didn't you hear all the statements coming in from the Pakistani ministers? Is that mature and responsible statements coming from them?
Responsibility and Pakistan don't match and mix in the same statement, just like drinking and driving. But of course, only Pakistani generals would know about the latter. But having said that, look, Pakistan, speaking about responsibility, the same responsibility with which you kept Osama bin Laden inside Pakistan, the same responsibility with which you have 12 designated terror organizations which are UN designated within the territory of Pakistan, the same responsibility with which your railway minister was speaking, the same responsibility with which your foreign minister says that these people who did the terrorist attack in Pahalgam are freedom fighters. And I can understand why Pakistan is feeling this way. Ever since even the Navy has just put out a tweet, there are sensations in Pakistan. Fat-fatahat, फड़फड़ाहट, कप-कपाहट, थर-थराहट एंड बड़बड़ाहट. ये बड़बड़ाहट में बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं, but Raja Faisal, your Pakistani army has seen mass resignations, including officers resigning. Your generals, including the top general, is hiding his family in Videshi Dharti. Shahbaz Sharif has backtracked. TRF, a terror organization, for the first time is saying नहीं हमने नहीं किया जी आतंकी हमला, हमें मत दोष दीजिए. You have Sindh protests, you have things that are happening in Balochistan and Waziristan, which you must be knowing better about. You have been flooded in Jhelum, you are seeing dry Chenab, you are seeing economic gherabandi, you are seeing diplomatic isolation, and you are seeing jalbandi. And this is the situation with which Pakistan is left. But having said that, I do understand that Pakistan has one very big strength. Navika ji, I have just got to know that US had said Pakistan ko touch nahi karna hai. UK has said to India, Pakistan ne touch nahi karna hai. Russia has come out in defense of Pakistan. China has come out in defense of Pakistan. All of these countries, including EU, has said Pakistan को touch मत करना इंडिया, क्योंकि इन सब का कर्जा बाकी है. They are saying ये भिखारियों का इतना कर्जा हम पर बाकी है, जब तक ये भिखारी अपना कर्जा ना पहुंचा दे, तब तक हमें क्या इसमें झूठ क्या है? इसमें झूठ क्या है? आपका कर्जा नहीं है, आप पूरे दुनिया में कर्जा लेकर घूम रहे हो. अच्छा, दूसरी बात, सर, सॉरी. Radhaji, why are you feeling so offended?
Let me respond.
But you said Osama as a shaheed. You did not feel offended with that. You did not feel offended when you called Pahalgam terrorists as freedom fighters. You did not feel offended with that. भिखारी को भिखारी बोलने में कौन सा ऑफेंस है सर? भिखारी को तो भिखारी बोलूंगा. आप कटोरा लेकर जाते हैं, सऊदी के पास गए, यूएई के पास गए. अच्छा सर, आपको
I would recommend you to enlighten yourself.
Yes, I will enlighten you,
with
sir.
the good newspapers like Hindustan.
I'll read the newspapers. You read Tribune, sir. You read Tribune and read what they're writing about your general.
Rather than relying
now, Raja
on
Faisal
social media memes.
Forget memes, sir. आपका देश meme है.
You are using here.
Sir, your
it's
country has
more
become a
than
meme.
Social media memes.
Sir, I'm not relying on memes. But since you spoke about memes,
information is TikTok. Your
sir,
source of information is Instagram.
Sir, TikTok banned है हमारे देश में.
Raja Faisal, maybe you would also want to update your knowledge. TikTok is banned in India.
See, what happens is that they live out of China's charity, so everything Chinese is important to them. But having said that, Raja, last 10 seconds, Mr. Faisal, last 10 seconds. A very serious debate. Sir, I'm as serious as your railway minister and Bilawal Bhutto. I'm as serious as Bilawal Bhutto. No, Mr.
I'm a journalist. I'm not a joker.
No, sir. The line between jokers and ministers has blurred. The line between your ministers and jokers has blurred.
Okay, you're a journalist. You're not a joker. I take that.
Can I ask
I take that comment seriously.
As an Indian Muslim, I want to ask him one question. मैडम आप तो कुछ देर रुकी जाइए उस्मा जी, आपको तो पाकिस्तान में भी नहीं पूछते होंगे. मैम प्लीज.
Most of the states in India, they do want to stay with you. Nagaland, they raise their own flag. Look at what's happening in Manipur.
Ma'am, will you look at your own backyard? Please check with the Balochistanis. Please check your own
check with
please
Sunny,
check,
Balu,
please check with
I think you
Sindh,
should
please
check-
check with Balochistan, please check with your own backyard, madam. We don't need lectures. We don't need lectures from Pakistan and Pakistanis how to keep this country together. Certainly not, ma'am.
No,
Uzma
because
ji.
she has brought up, ma'am, just 10 seconds more. Ma'am, I want to address them not just as BJP spokesperson, but also because you say, na, ma'am, now please listen to me 10 seconds. आपके आर्मी चीफ, which I don't think he should be called an army chief, said कि कलमे की बुनियाद पे हमारा देश बना था. कलमे की बुनियाद पे बना था तो बांग्लादेश लात मारकर क्यों निकल गया सर? कलमे की बुनियाद पे बना था तो
अरे
क्यों
भाई,
बलूचिस्तान आपको लात मारने के लिए तैयार बैठे हैं?
हमारी है
और आप
आपको
हमारे देश
लात
की चिंता
मारनी
छोड़
है
दो,
बांग्लादेश में।
बलूचिस्तान,
उन्होंने आपको
बांग्लादेश
अपने
बन
बात
चुका
कही
है,
है।
बलूचिस्तान
आपने जो
संभालो,
घटना की थी ना,
बांग्लादेश
वो
बन
बात
चुका
समझ में आ
है,
रही है।
बलूचिस्तान
अब हमारी
संभाल लो।
relations